Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set up variant options and customize swatches for your product bundles using the Wizio Bundle app. So to get started, open the Wizio Bundle app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using the link given in the description. So once installed, open the Wizio Bundle app, then click here on Quantity Bundle, then navigate to Create Bundle. From here select template of your choice. So now scroll down a little, and from here enable this checkbox if you want to show variant picker within bundle. Then you can allow your customers to choose different variants for each quantity. For example, they can choose same t-shirt in different colors. Then you can also customize the variant button text from here, and you can check it in the preview. And next you can choose how you want to distribute quantities. You can check these two options, like assign single quantity to each variant, and you can allow your customer to remove variant if they change their mind. Finally, enable this option to add swatches to your variant picker, creating a more visual and user-friendly shopping experience. You can customize it totally. Then you can click on apply button to apply these customizations. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.